Hey, what's up, harmony holder? This is not a sleeping time. If you are sleeping the current time, exactly you are in the lost, my brother. All crypto market is completely fails down from last 20 days, my friend. Especially in this month, completely fails down. I don't know why, but this month is completely going to be very bad, my friend. This is very unlucky, my friend. But this time you can see here a lot of holder ask me to what we do, sell, hold, or buy. So first of all, this is very good news for all of you, my friend. You can see this time the last 1 hour chart is on the screen and the change occur will be positive. So congratulations everyone to harmony is wake up and they go in the moon plus 3.52%. You can see the change occur, and you can see here 0.088776 USD is the latest price. So it's a very good job, my friend. The price will be very fastly increased, and exactly, my friend, let's predicate this coin. But kindly before I predicate this coin, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, my brother. My brother, you can see this time harmony is completely fares down from last 22 days, my friend, especially because this is the last 2 days chart, and the third day, if you can see, my friends, they're starting moving upward. So it's mean to last 24-hour chart will be positive, and this is very good, my friends, for all of you, my friends. You can see May 30 or 23, my friends. You can see here today. I think harmony day, my friends. You can see here they're starting move upward. So my prediction tell this, my friends, to upcoming time there is more chances to them move upward, and they completely go in the moon. So what you say? What's your opinion to this selling time, holding time, and what's your advice to? There is a chance, my friends, to them move upward. We sell, hold, or invest. I also tell you, please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. And absolutely, my advice this, my friends, to this is very good coin, my friends, for a short time investor. If you invest for a long time, and absolutely they cannot give you a very good profit. But if you invest for a short time, absolutely they will make you millionaire. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel.